Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Volkswagen ID software with Volkswagen We Connect, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your Volkswagen ID software using Volkswagen We Connect, start by ensuring your vehicle is parked safely. Make sure your vehicle is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Open the Volkswagen We Connect app on your smartphone. Log in using your Volkswagen account credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one. Once logged in, select your vehicle from the list. Navigate to the Updates section within the app. The app will check for available software updates for your vehicle. If an update is available, you will see details about the update. Review the update information to understand what improvements or new features it includes. Make sure your vehicle's battery is sufficiently charged before proceeding. Follow the prompts in the app to initiate the software update. The update process will begin and may take some time. During the update, do not turn off the vehicle or the app. You may receive notifications about the status of the update on your smartphone. Once the update is complete, you will be notified via the app. Check your vehicle's system to confirm the software has been updated successfully. If you encounter any issues, consult the app's support section for troubleshooting tips. You have now successfully updated your Volkswagen ID software using Volkswagen We Connect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.